So it's like 7. Is it like 6 or 7 o'clock?
No, it's probably close to the 7.
It's closer to 7 o'clock. And the whole family, everybody's at the house, and we're about to get on this bus to go to the cruise port thing. I don't know where my sister went. But it's here. I have all my like luggage and stuff behind me. Oh, look at the bus though. This thing is huge. We do have like 30 people coming on this cruise. This suitcase is heavy, y'all. But anyways, yeah, we got like 30 people coming on the cruise. I'm gonna show y'all the bus right now. Oh. Oh wow, this is like a whole field trip. No, I don't see her.
Down is good. No, too late. All right.
Strong with the force. Let the force be with you. Luke. Green guy. The little green guy. Darth Vader.
No, oh my God.
Green guy.
She's got the Jedi.
Pass.
Girl pass.
Yoga, you
Alright.
Yes. Down.
Oh, mine.
Pass it then.
Yes. No. They carry a lot of stuff.
Always at my picnic.
They
mess up your picnic.
Yes. A lizard. That dad was.
Big lizard.
Oh, he was in Mulan. Was he in Mulan?
Nah.
Japanese.
Komodo dragon.
Yes.
A jump bird. They say. Okay, you were
That's
There's an albatross.
Howard. If you had a Howard, what's the Howard's mascot for Howard University?
Howard
Do you know?
mascot. She don't know that.
Rhonda Dyson.
It's a
Bison.
Yes.
So we just made it.
That
Oh
looks
my
like a
God, that
hotel,
boat
bro.
is huge.
Oh my God.
So we finally pulled up to the ship. I'm excited. It like y'all saw the boat, it's huge. But it looks like a giant hotel on water. And it's like it's not the first time we've been on a cruise before, but you know, it just
This is bigger though.
I know this is way bigger than the other one we were on. Carla, what's our room number? 10673 is our room number. That's where my stuff will be. I won't be there. The board started boating. The board started boating. The boat started boarding at 11 o'clock. It's 11:21. So, you know.
So as black people, we kind of made it on time.
We kind of made it on time. I'm not mad at it. The boat doesn't leave until like 4:30 though, anyway, right?
Yeah.
But I'm trying to be in as early as possible.
All you can eat.
That's my father. Always in somebody's video. We are finally getting on the boat. This is my roommate.
Hi guys.
OMG, look at her.
Know me.
I'm done. Yo, this looks so cool in here, right? We're finally getting on the boat. Like, hold on, can I flip the camera? Look at the boat, yo.
That's our room right there.
That's our room. No.
Psych.
Psych. And guess where we're going first?
Where are we going first? St. Thomas? Oh no, to eat.
Girl, to eat. We on the boat. It's 12:30. We can't even get into our room until
We
1
have to
o'clock.
wait another half hour.
That's cool.
So.
Look at my grandma. She was like, "What y'all doing? Hey."
Hi.
You want to say hi to the people?
To who people?
To who people?
This is her.
People. This is my YouTube channel. It's a vlog.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
So we're about to go. I guess we're about to go eat because we really don't have a choice. Ain't nothing else open. Wow, what did I say? We was gonna definitely get some food first. Wow. Yeah, this is so cute. Then I'm gonna go back to that pasta. What did you get, Auntie? Look at you. You got all this food.
Oh, this is the paella.
What's that?
The paella. Sorry. The rice with all the seafood in it?